Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are learning how to use ChatGPT. Yes, it's a super easy and most of the people they are trying to learning ChatGPT techniques. See here, I'll show you using my Google Chrome. Just hit Google and hit ChatGPT. Yes, hit enter. First link openai.com. Here you will see ChatGPT language model. Once you click the screen, you will find this ChatGPT AI tool. Yes, really it is importantly helping more and more. Yes, go down, try ChatGPT. See, first of all, I would like to show you having Microsoft or Google account to create your free account today. And this is the window once you logged in successfully by using your authentications. Yes, even if you are not having Microsoft or Google account, even you can log in with your own email ID. Yes, now you see simply just I don't know how to prepare a leave letter. Shall I ask my ChatGPT to prepare? Yes, my job is doing ChatGPT. Truly. So prepare a leave letter for my office. Yes, just I'm trying to asking my ChatGPT. Will I get a response? Wow, AI tool which is a connected with neural network and which is a providing great wide of information. It's truly. So let's see. This is a preparing a leave letter for my office. Wow, dear manager, the name of the person. I'm writing you inform you that the leave taken absence of work number of days and restricted from the days. The reason leave is what the leave like reason you want to specify. I have made the arrangement with my colleagues and all my pending was will be taken care during my absence. All the clear information, sincerely your name. So how super easy to use this ChatGPT to get real-time information. It's not sharing you the links where it will available. It's preparing a ready-made content for you. Really. And shall I ask a ChatGPT to prepare my resume? Create a resume for freshers. Just fresher. If you want, you can ask you add your qualification also. Let's wait. Wow, it's creating basic format of freshers resume. Address details, objective, and education qualifications, and the skills which you are if you are like a provided accountant, data scientist, software engineer, or any other profiles. Definitely, it will add you and provide you the skill set as well. Why don't you try today? If you feel this video lecture is helping and you learned something how to use this ChatGPT, subscribe today for more interesting video lectures we'll share you. Thank you.